we are looking at what is the meaning of this number, especially in chats and text messages. What does it mean if someone sends you this number? Well, it simply means, I love you very much, more than I love you, very much so. But why? You may be wondering. Well, it's actually very simple. It is simply the number of letters in each word. I love you very much. 1 letter for I, 4 letters for love, 3 letters for you, and so on. I love you very much. 1, 4, 3, 4, 4. And now you know. More videos for you here on how to pronounce more vocabulary that many mispronounce, and the meaning of different expressions and, things that people send on text messages in particular. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this useful. Thanks for your support. Cheers.